Hi students, I am Hari Pawar from Nutan Vidya Mandir Devlali camp. I welcome you on this YouTube channel. Students, today we are going to learn first English poem of Standard 9. The name of the poem is Walk a Little Slower. Students, we celebrate many days throughout the year. As we celebrate Environment Day on the 5th June. We also celebrate Family Day. Then we also celebrate Children's Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Sparrow Day. We celebrate these days. Why do we celebrate these days? Because we have to highlight their importance. The same way, in order to highlight the importance of father or to remember the qualities of father, we celebrate Father's Day on the third Sunday of every June. And this poem, Walk a Little Slower Daddy, is related to Father's Day. First of all, let us have reading of this poem. I will read the poem aloud. You just listen carefully. Walk a little slower, Daddy, said a little child so small. I am following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. Sometimes your steps are very fast. Sometimes they are hard to see. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for you are leading me. Someday when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be. Then I will have a little child who will want to follow me. And I would want to lead just right and know that I was true. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for I must follow you. I have underlined some words here. Walk, child, footsteps, steps, fast, follow and lead. When we think about these words, we find these are all action words and they are very easy, which we have already learned in previous year. And so we can guess what the meaning of the poem might be. Dear students, this poem has a dual meaning. Dual means having two types of meaning. First is literal meaning and second is poetic meaning. First of all, let us see the literal meaning. First, I will tell you what is the meaning of literal meaning. Literal meaning means which we can guess easily. With the meaning of the words. And poetic meaning means which we have to find between lines. Means it is hidden meaning. Now see the literal meaning of this poem. Walk a little slower, Daddy, said a little child so small. In these two lines we come to know that a child is talking to its father. And what it says to its father? Walk a little slower. Means father is walking and child tells its father to walk slowly. Why it says to walk slowly? Because I am following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. Means father is in front of child and child is behind its father and father is walking fast. So child appeals to its father to walk slowly and I don't want to fall. The child is afraid that he may fall if he chases its father. And so it appeals its father to walk little slower. Now second stanza. Sometimes your steps are very fast. Whose steps are very fast? Father's steps are very fast. So child says your steps are very fast. Means you are walking very fast. sometimes they are hard to see. Means your footsteps are very hard to see, means very difficult to chase. So walk a little slower, daddy, for you are leading me. You walk very fast, it is very difficult for me to chase, and so you walk a little slower, and for you are leading me. Here for means because. For means similar word to for means because. And why you should walk slowly? Because you are leading me, means you are my leader. I am your disciple and you have to lead me. So I request you to walk a little slower. Someday when I am all grown up, means after some years, I will be a grown-up person. You are what I want to be, and at that time when I will grow up, I will become an ideal citizen. I will become a wise person. Then I will have a little child. Then I will have a little child, means I will become a father of a child who will want to follow me. And when I will grow up, I will have a child. At that time, my child will follow me. He will follow me, and I would want to lead just right. And I will have to lead just right, means I will have to lead to my child properly and know that I was true. And I should be confident about my leadership to my child. So walk a little slower, daddy, for I must follow you. I am following you, means I am imitating you, and so I request you, you should walk a little slower in order that I may follow you. This is the literal meaning of this poem. Now let us see the poetic meaning of this poem. Means we will have to find out the hidden meaning from these lines. Now here walk word is given, but its walks literal meaning is ideas and thoughts of a person. They are supposed here walking, means walking and ideas and thoughts of person are compared to each other. And so when child says walk a little slower, daddy, said a little child so small, means a child appeals to its father to do his ideas and thoughts in a slower manner. I am following in your footsteps. Footsteps means actions. Means I am following in your actions and I don't want to fall. Fall means, here fall is written. Fall means unsucceed. Means the meaning of these two lines will like this. I am following means child is following in actions of its father, and child doesn't want to unsucceed in his life. Means in this way, these two or these four lines tell us the hidden meaning of this poem. Sometimes your steps are very fast. Again, steps means actions. Your steps are very fast and sometimes they are hard to see. Means your actions are very difficult to understand. So walk a little slower, daddy, for you are leading me. So I appeal you, I request you to do your ideas, thoughts and actions slower and slower in order that I may follow you. Someday when I am all grown up, means when I will a grown up person, you are what I want to be, and at that time I will become a wise person. I will become an ideal citizen. Then I will have a little child, and when I will grow up, I will have a little child, means I will become a father of a child who will want to follow me, and at that time my child will imitate me. Follow means imitate me, and so I request you to walk a little slower, Daddy, and I would want to lead just right. When I will have a child, I will become a leader of my child. At that time, I should lead my child properly and know that I was true. I should be confident about myself. So, walk a little slower, Daddy, for you must follow, for I must follow you. And so, I request you to walk slowly because I must follow you. Must means I will have to do compulsorily. I will have to take your guidance compulsorily. So, walk a little slower, Daddy. Thus, child appeals to its father to do all his actions, ideas, thoughts slowly in order that the child may follow its father. In this way, child appeals to its father to walk a little slower. Now let us see the pairs of rhyming words. First of all, have the ending words of every line. Daddy, small, footsteps, and fall. Here only small rhymes with fall. Means small and fall are fall and small rhyme to each other. In second stanza, see and me, they rhyme each other. Be and me, they rhyme each other. True and you, they rhyme each other. In this way, there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 pairs of rhyming words. Students will learn the poem Walk a Little Slower in a detail. Now let us have a review of this poem. First of all, let us think who is the narrator of this poem. Throughout the poem, we see that child is talking to its father. Means the child is narrator of this poem. So here the narrator of the poem is child. To whom the child is talking, in the very first line it has been given, walk a little slower, Daddy. Means said a little child so small. Means we come to know that child is talking and child is talking to its father. So here the listener of this poem is father. Means child is talking to its father. Child is narrator of this poem and listener of the poem is father. Now see the rhyming pairs from this poem. Here Daddy has no any rhyming word in this stanza, but small has a rhyming word fall here. So small and fall is the first rhyming pair in this stanza. Now second stanza, see rhymes to me. So here second rhyming pair is see and me. Third rhyming pair, be and me. Be and me is the third rhyming pair in this poem. Now fourth stanza, true and you. True and you is the rhyming pair. In this way, there are 4 rhyming pairs in this poem. Each stanza has only a single rhyming pair. Now number 4, rhyme scheme. Let us see. Daddy is allotted A. Then second line, last word is B. Last word is small. Let us allot B to small. B rhymes to fall. So we will have to allot B to fall. And footsteps to C. In this way, A, B, C, B is the rhyme scheme of this stanza. Let us see the rhyme scheme of second stanza. Second stanza also has A, B, C, B, because A doesn't rhyme to any other word. So here single A is there, C rhymes to B. So C and me have, here I have written or allotted B, and only remaining word is daddy, that is C. A, B, C, B is also rhyming scheme of second stanza. Third stanza has also A, B, C, B rhyming scheme. Fourth stanza has also A, B, C, B rhyming scheme. In this way, all the four stanzas have A, B, C, B rhyming scheme. Now, last point, that is point number 5, theme of the poem or central idea of the poem. What is the central idea of the poem? What is given in this poem? When we think about the whole poem, the child is telling importance of its father. In this way, the importance of father is highlighted in this poem. Thank you.